Good day, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market breakdown. Now, guys, on this session, I'm going to be focusing on the pair that I'm trading for this week. So, I'm just going to be giving an analysis behind why I chose this pair and how I'm looking to execute an entry on this pair. So, without wasting any time, let us get into it. So, for this week, I'm just mainly focusing on one pair, just to make sure that my edge plays out fully on this pair. The only time when I'll be focusing on another pair is if this pair is no longer valid, or once it is take profit, that's when I'll focus on another pair. But for now, just mainly looking at what euro over the Japanese yen. So first and foremost, I do see price giving me what this impulsive movement down, and then giving me what this side is corrective structure. As you can see, this is also what another point of error of liquidity, whereby this is having what the higher probability of impulsing down, combining with what with this ascending continuation structure, as you can see. So this point gives this what a higher probability of this impulsing all the way to the downside. And now as I'm moving on to what the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, what do I see? So first I'll just make sure that the structure is looking neat, as you can see, like so. So over here I do see price giving what this impulsive movement, and this is acting as a what? As a sideways corrective structure. So this being a sideways corrective structure, I'll just use what my trend lines to identify this as being what a continuation pattern. As you do see, too soon has too soon lows. So now how am I looking to execute an entry on this pair overall? So I'm looking to enter on the breakout, place my stop loss above, and my take profit all the way to the downside. And then I'm waiting to see whether this will be having what a higher probability of impulsing with me all the way to the downside. We're looking forward for additional scaling entries along the way. But for now, just mainly looking to enter on the breakout and waiting to see whether this will do what will take me in and then drop with me all the way to the downside. So for this week, just mainly looking at what at this pair, which is Euro JPY, I will continue to give an update on the progress of this pair. Whether this pair takes me in and then stops me out, or whether it moves into my direction, I will continue to update you guys on our next session. But for now, this is going to be the end of our session. Just keeping it short and sweet, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.